Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get SoundCloud on your PS5. All right, so let's begin with the video. To break it down for you, you cannot get SoundCloud on PS5 as of right now, and it's because Sony does not have an application out for PS5 yet. You can demonstrate that by looking up SoundCloud on the PlayStation website, and you'll see there's no application available. So just be advised, there's no SoundCloud app available. The only way that you can actually play some music on SoundCloud is if you go into the browser. In the browser, you search for SoundCloud, and that's literally the only way you can play music off of SoundCloud on the PS5 as of right now. There are hacks available, but those don't work really well. So, if you're trying something, do it at your own risk. And let's just hope PlayStation comes out with the SoundCloud app. So that's basically how you can get SoundCloud on your PS5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.